Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. You see here, doing a pallet delivery. Also, I have a bunch of metal on my truck. Give you guys a little bit more of an up-close look. Inside, got all my specialty, a bunch of aluminum, a bunch of radiators. On the back, a bunch of mixed copper wires, and of course pallets. And then of course we show you guys how to go out there and build a business like this where you make money off of multiple commodities. You know, get out of the mindset of just thinking you're gonna be able to make a comfortable living, a low stress living off of just one commodity. There's multiple streams of income in this particular industry. I want to show you guys how to go out there, apply my strategies, and have similar successes. You know, I'm going out there, I'm earning anything from $500 to $1,000 a day, regardless of the recession. I do it by myself. I have a $1,500 pickup truck, a $500 trailer, it's $2,000 setup. You know, I'm going out there and I'm killing it. Join the team, learn how to make money with us. We're ready to teach you. Click the link in the description, fill out the form, get the ebook, and let's make money today. Let's go.